In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust camera settings in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know how to pick the right camera, set the best resolution for your connection, and style your on-screen camera frame so your broadcast looks clean and professional. First, let's open your camera settings. Log into StreamYard and enter your broadcast studio. This is the workspace where you build your show before going live. At the bottom, click Settings to open the control panel. Then click Camera. Here, you'll see a list of available devices. Choose your camera device from the menu. If you have more than one, like a built-in webcam and a USB camera, select the one you want StreamYard to use. This ensures your studio preview and your live output match the camera you intend to feature. Next, let's fine-tune your clarity by changing the resolution. While still in Settings, click Camera if you're not already there. Look for Resolution. This controls how sharp your video appears. Select the resolution that fits your needs, such as 720p or 1080p. Higher resolutions deliver a crisper image and more detail, which is great for a polished look. However, they use more bandwidth and processing power. If you notice lag, stuttering, or your camera isn't keeping up, switch to a lower resolution. Lowering the resolution is a quick, reliable way to fix performance hiccups while keeping your stream smooth and watchable. For most creators, 720p strikes a solid balance between quality and reliability, while 1080p is ideal when your setup and connection are stable. Now, let's adjust the visual style of your on-camera appearance. In the studio, open the Style panel. This is where you control the overall look of your broadcast. Scroll to Default Camera. Here, you can set the shape of your camera frame. Choose Rectangle for a traditional full-frame look, Square for a modern, balanced box, or Circle for a clean, avatar-style profile. If you want a softer, more contemporary feel, turn on Rounded Corners. This adds subtle curves to your frame and helps your camera feed blend nicely with overlays, backgrounds, and other on-screen elements. That's it. You've selected the right camera device, set a resolution that suits your connection, and chosen a frame shape that matches your brand. These changes take effect immediately in the studio, so as you make adjustments, you'll see exactly how your broadcast will look. With these essentials in place, you're ready to go live with confidence and a professional on-screen presence.